بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
The present continuous tense, also called present progressive. Right now, it is Friday morning. Shahzad and Waqas are at home and they are living together. They are sitting at a table. They are having breakfast. At this moment, they are drinking coffee and they are talking to each other. Waqas is sitting across the table from Shahzad. Shahzad is Waqas' best friend. He is sitting at the table with Waqas. He is also drinking coffee. Shahzad is listening to Waqas. After breakfast, Shahzad and Waqas are leaving for work. They work in the city at the British Institute. They are riding the bus to work. The present continuous tense is used to talk about things that are continuing to happen. Make the present continuous tense by using am, is or are with a verb that ends in ing. Note, the ing form of a verb is called the present participle. You use the present participle with am, is or are to make the present continuous tense. He's watching television. His brothers are listening to music. I am learning how to drive. I'm eating my dinner. My sister is baking a cake. They are speaking Urdu. Affirmative sentences. Negative sentences. Interrogative sentences. We often use the present progressive to talk about future events which have already been planned. Time words in the sentence, such as next week, next year, tomorrow, etc. All my friends are coming to my party next week. I am going to Dubai tomorrow. We are having a barbecue on Friday. We can't go to the cinema tomorrow because I am working. We're taking our cousin to the zoo later today.